Today we are working on game design document. Hello there. Welcome to Level Up with GoodXP. My name is Faruk, and these are live streams, episodic live streams actually, and indeed this is going to be the first episode. I am doing this for a while, and I decided to number them. I decided to date them, and I wanna have more structure in these live streams. So this is my first attempt at this iteration. What we are doing in these live streams, we are creating a game. I'm creating a game. I'm creating my dreams step by step. I am seeing through if I can get a career in game dev. So this is what's happening here. And as I said, I will start from scratch. I tried to do this in a more, I don't know, intuitive, just gung-ho way, but it didn't work for me. And I need plan. I need some kind of predictability. So this is why we are going back to the drawing board, and I will be start from the scratch, start from writing down what I want, and then maybe create some workable, actionable chunks from that. So yeah, other than that, I thought about going to VODs, going to create scripted content, but it really doesn't work for me. I am already swamped. I am already I have full plate with other responsibilities from work, from family and such. So I guess this is the best of both worlds. I try to prepare, and even for that I couldn't find time. So I need to make everything realistic for me. Hello, welcome back. Yeah, been a little while. I was pretty overwhelmed with a lot of happening in work, in life, and I was feeling a bit lost on my live streams for a while. For 1 month in April, I had a plan, and I was working to deliver that plan, and this was good. And then I kind of lost my bearings. So yeah, if in retrospect I realized that I need some kind of direction, small actionable plans. So this is why we are here. I was reflecting on how to do this. How can I sustain it? So yeah, couple of takeaways. I realized that whether either I do it every day, or I cannot keep the rhythm, because I find reasons or excuses to skip. But if I do it every day, it would be more of an habit, something I'm stacking on top of something else. And second thing is, I need a plan. I need some kind of sprint-like or Kanban-like planning, where I know what I am doing. I know what I'm going to do next. I know the work I do falls in the general scheme of things. So yeah, this is the point we are at. And how are you? Sorry, I go into a ramble and I couldn't stop. How are you? Please do feel free to get into a conversation. I have some opinions on segmenting these live streams as well. So I'm listening to some podcasts recently. This is a new habit I took in recent months, and the fascinating thing is there is this segmentation, and this is coming from radio shows, this is coming from television, and also in the newsletters, like in all kinds of media content. You have magazines which have different chapters, different titles, different articles in it. So segmentation, I'm thinking about creating different segments in live stream, but their time will come for that. So today, game design document. I wanna work on this, and I want to have a clear picture, and then we will create some roadmap on top of this. So what I have done so far, I will go through it, I will get myself into the flow of writing this, and then I will keep writing on it. I will keep expanding this document. Artifactum, this is a working title. We will see what happens with it. Setting and story. The game setting is a post-apocalyptic world. Humanity prospered with the advancements of AI, and everything became abundant. Whether it is software or the robots, eventually humanity left every task to be handled by AI. Then one day, AI failed and civilization collapsed. Everything collapsed, including energy production. So one after another, AI mainframes are shut down as well. Robots are powerless, everything came to a stop. Player plays as a robot that is completing the orders given by a waken up AI. Yeah. So like I'm thinking some kind of auxiliary power or some kind of solar panel powers up a smallest unit for the AI, and it immediately creates a scene for our player to act on. Thinking about these setting, AI has advanced more and more, and humanity created bigger and better and more capable AIs to accommodate the hardware needs. Huge infrastructures called towers are built to host these AIs. They are also distributed systems where each AI can have multiple interconnected towers. Resources are shared among AIs. Whatever they can move, replace, redistribute, whatever the word is, I don't know. Resources. Towers are multi-story structures with levels below and above ground. So our game will start or will take place in one of the towers. Yes. Also, each AI is distributed and compartmentalized, so they can be Small individual AIs, but also they can connect and become a super intelligence. Think of it like atoms. Each atom has all the properties required for an AI and can act as one. When they get together, a lot of atoms together becomes a more powerful one. So it can be infinitely divided and infinitely added together. Yeah, I'm thinking like that. So, and then there are servobots, but I don't know if this is too much for just the intro. Let's do the organization later, and then there will be servobots. So player will be playing as one of the servobots. Yes, these are connected to AI and do whatever AI tells them to do. Before the apocalypse, before the apocalypse, they were service robots that are to maintain, repair, clean, install and upgrade hardware, relocate stuff, etc. So they were service robots. Now in the game setting, player will main objective is done, so I'm gonna do it, write it there. Yeah, as I said, the reorganization of text, organization of text can be later. So basically this is what I plan as a setting and a story. The setting is like this, but there is no story, mention of story here. So as a story, yeah, that's a good point. I'm not 100% doing it myself, but always writing it down and trying to organize in a physical form. Although this is like in software, in a monitor, it is still more physical than what is just flying ideas in my mind. So putting it down, writing it down, and then trying to move these tangible things around really helps. And I am also not doing it, so I'm just trying to do it now. Yeah. Okay. So the story, let's go. Let's say this is the setting. I'm gonna say story here. Story. Player plays as one of the servobots. Okay. I realized I don't have much about the story. Take care. Thank you very much for stopping by and saying hello. It is always nice to see you. So what I wanna do here, story. I think I don't know much about the story now. Yes. So as a genre, I'm thinking Metroidvania, action adventure, puzzle, certain roguelite elements like runs, dice, meta progression, etc. The other day, also, I think I need some kind of. I want it to be 3D. So maybe here insert a ball. How do you call it? It is going to be 3D isometric top-down camera. I don't even know the terminology for these. Camera angles. Vertical gameplay elements. Vertical movement. And also I want these in the game. I want it to be 3D, isometric, top-down camera. Yes, isometric camera, not top-down. Isometric. Yes. Vertical movement. Vertical player movement. Yeah, maybe we put it somewhere else. Target audience. I don't know target audience. I don't know what to write here. But the experience is going to be exploring and uncovering the game world. Solving puzzles. I'm trying to find verbs. Fight and kill enemies, economize resources. These are all nice words, nice verbs. Can we say like learn about past? Learn about. Nah. Experience. Intuitive gameplay. Does it make sense? What I mean by this is I don't want to hold hands. It is just something you experience. I don't want to dump lore. No lore dump, but a lot of environmental storytelling and storytelling through action and experience. Does it make sense? I don't know. Solve puzzles, fight and kill enemies, economize. Experience is... yeah. These are the things I'm thinking so far. Platforms, Steam. Honestly, I have no idea about other things like consoles and everything. I know there is something about like Xbox partnership things, and people say you should be applying to those. But for now, Steam. Yep. So game loops. I'm one of the most important things. Move around and fight. Really? Move around and fight. This is the shortest thing. So basically this is like clear areas. Or like clear sections and connect nodes, connect new AI nodes together. So what I'm thinking is that you will start with I'm thinking like cloud infrastructure. You know, if you are familiar with those, they give you some tiers. Let's go to like, I don't know. Let's go to, here we are. Looks nice. If you go to like AWS, like prices or something, I don't know. So let's go to like S. Boop, boop, boop. Interesting. Anyway, what am I trying to show here? So basically you get like 1000 minutes and then interesting. I'm lost. Never mind. Compute. I think I want to look at compute. Nope. Containers. I want to look at these containers. Okay. So these T2 micro, T3 micro, they are called, they have some kind of resources like CPUs, RAM, storage, whatever. So what I'm thinking is you connect more servers, more CPUs, more processors, more, I don't know, to the AI so it gets powerful. Clear sections and make your AI more powerful. And then what kind of I think these are not the same thing. So I want to move around and fight, clear sections. Also I want like crafting crafting certain elements and upgrades. And then finally connecting new AI nodes to progress. So this is the shortest loop, happens all the time. You move around and fight. Clear sections in order to be able to collect some stuff. Crafting elements. Collect crafting resources. Yeah, so this is another loop. And finally we wake up more, power up more infrastructure. Yeah, eventually we move through the tower. It can be going up, down, stuff like that. Influences, definitely there is Tunic, there is Hades. Hollow Knight. Yeah, I think I saw the other day in Reddit reddit.com r game dev. Let's go there. What I saw the other day, can I find it like just scrolling? It was capturing the, or was it in Godot? Maybe it was in Godot. Nice. This one. This one captures just a nice look. So I'm just gonna, is there a sound here? Nah. And this guy is making a promotion. He's trying to promote his game. Work, whatever. Look at this. This guy is busy. Cool. So I like this. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, actually. Let's just take a screenshot. Come here. And maybe we can put some collapse, no, drawer. What do you call it? Toggle. Ah, some screenshots. Let's call it like that. Here, let's put it there. Also, I wanna put tunic in there. Let's put it. Yeah. Tunic spyglass. If I do it like this, what happens? Right angle. So let's get this thing. Low poly. I can't imagine myself doing detailed 3D graphics, so low poly it is. Yeah. So if I try to describe a typical game loop here. Yeah, I want to do it. A typical game loop. I want to write about it. Player wakes up at a 3D printer, freshly printed, as a freshly printed robot. AI gives them a task to go connect dormant infrastructure there somewhere. And by the way, so we can have different types of infrastructure which are, yeah, so let's make a note somewhere. Characters, like, is it here? Characters, yeah. So maybe we have like AI. It has what different attributes, like processing power, storage, datasets, whatever, you know. Energy available, energy, power, yeah, energy, storage, datasets, So we are trying to rebuild a network. Yeah. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, exactly. Mm. This is an H3 as well. This is an heading 2. This is an heading 3. Okay. And each mission increases one of them. Yeah, and these needs to increase together, otherwise it creates bottlenecks. Yeah, I know what I wanna define here, but it can be defined in a better way. Yes, let's call servobot. Yes. AI is not necessarily a protagonist. Player does not control it, but it defines it gives the missions direction, purpose. It is why. I don't know. We will see. Servobot. It is a service robot that acts on behalf of AI. Carries out tasks for the AI. Player controls the servobot. Yep. So we should put a logical reason. There is only one. Oh, what is the reason for this? This is not cool. Why there are no multiple servobots? Or maybe there is. I don't know. Maybe you are just one of them. Maybe you are an anomaly. Interesting. I need to think about it. AI gives them a task to connect dormant infrastructure somewhere. Player goes to do that, but there are enemies to fight. There are also puzzles to solve. Opening locks and doors. I can't think of anything else. Yep. And then finally you get to your destination where you want to activate the infrastructure. Activating the infra is another puzzle or skill challenge. We can think about it, and when you activate, you get another mission or story progresses. Yeah, I think this is like a typical game loop. So you do this over and over. So each upgrade to AI opens up soft skills. I thought of something very interesting. No. Activating infrastructure also acts as a skill upgrade for for the servobot. So there is a skill and leveling system attached to that. Oh my god, I just created another, but it was here with meta progression. So we have a skill system or something like that, skill or upgrade system. Yeah, something like that. Oh my god, there is too much. So what I'm also thinking, powered up areas gets busier and livelier with all kinds of robot creatures. One type of these are swarms of dismantling cleaning robots. They dismantle any electromechanical thing and carry parts to 3D printers. When player dies, the body of the robot remains where they died for a specific amount of time and gradually be taken apart by these cleanup crew. Player can observe the recycling. As areas are powered up, it also wakes up hostile opposing AIs. Hostile AIs print their own huskbots, servobots. So player has to fight them and finally commandeer and convert the hostile AI and bring. So this is a different type of mission then. Go kill the opposing AI. Yeah, different mission types. Puzzle solving. I don't know, it feels like it is growing, like nice. Short-term goals, mid-term goals, long-term goals, progressions, obstacles, level design. So yeah, nice. Come on, just leave me alone. Hostile AI antagonists. Yeah, it is like prominent characters. It is not like critters or mobs. I don't know about these. Let's think about them later. Let's go to my checklist. Yeah. Arts and sounds, level design, objectives. So there are different types of missions. Connect infra and then disable hostile, disable and take over hostile AI. Yeah. Are there any third? And connect infra can be many things like power, resource, datasets. Oh yeah, maybe. I was thinking about setting up some Pomodoro timers, but I forgot about them. Let's do a 2-minute break. And we are back. Cool, let's put the Pomodoro on. Start, why not? Let's go. Put it there, put it there. Open this up. Let's see what I want to do. I want to think about prototyping. So let's jump between other stuff. Let's come to our, so GDD is in progress. Sure, nice. I want to have a new task here, which I'm gonna call prototype. Yeah. Oh, wait. Not here. Delete. I want to have it here. Prototype. Yes. This belongs to the game. And so what do we want in the prototype? Create a project. I don't want it to be starting with this name. Why does it say task? Can I change it? Edit. Don't do it. No. Delete. Task. You don't have to do that. Feature request, really? Okay. So, create a project, create a repo. It is important. And then what do we need for the prototype? Prototype is going to be, oh, if you think about it, with all the features we already creeped in, it is going to be a very big thing. But the overall thing can be create the simplest mission system, and this could be so what is this is AI gives servobot a task to turn on a switch somewhere, right? To switch. Yeah, that's it. Basically, that's it. When servobot turns on the switch, it is completed. So this is the only thing actually. This is very simple if you think about it. Yeah. I guess this is simple as that. Am I thinking too simplistic? Yeah, we are gonna put more flesh into these, definitely. Create a Git repo, so that means AI. Create the AI. Is there a way? Is there a shortcut for this one? Like, what happened, man? Nope. Is there a shortcut? Notion shortcuts. Notion shortcut, add new item. Shift enter. Nice. Okay, very cool. Create the servo bot. Servo bot movement. Servo bot interaction. What do you mean by interaction? I don't know. Do I want to go into enemy systems? Enemy systems. I guess we need pet finding for that. How do I increase the intent here? Indent. It was working. Now it is not working. Ah, okay. Interesting. Enemy Really? Create the AI cell. Okay. When I'm blanking, go to something else. The hardest part is to put something in structure, in context. That is very interesting. It is like making a puzzle. You know, you have all the pieces cut together, cut out, and then you are picking up a piece, thinking about it, looking at its colors, its shape, where it would fall, if it is a edge or corner piece, or if it is something in the middle, and then you are thinking about its neighbors. It is very interesting if you think about it. This is the same. I have a soup of ideas and concepts, and they are somehow loosely connected to everything else, and I need to pick each one up, think about where to place them, and then find some appropriate place to put them. But also, it is difficult to just sense or see, get the sensory data. It is different from trying to describe it. You see the colors, you see the shapes, you see how they are together. But if you try to talk about them, explain them, then suddenly it gets much more difficult. There is a Turkish poem. It says what it says. Bir yer var, biliyorum, görüyorum ama dokunamıyorum. Something like that. I see it, but I cannot touch it. Something like that. So yeah, so you have all these seeds for knowledge, and this is the creation process. This is where you create it, giving it a form and putting life into that form. Exactly. Yeah. What? Exactly. So what I want is my AI. AI has properties. What kind of properties are there? So maybe CPU, processing, computing power, data, datasets, whatever. And then what else do they need? We can also put maybe language chips. I'm just making it up. No? I don't think so. Nodes, node count, nodes, yeah. And then each node may not have 3D printer, or maybe 3D printers are different entities. I don't know about this right now. So I'm trying to think the user story, player story. A loop. What I see in front of my eyes is player wakes up in front of a 3D printer. It is printed by the AI, and AI tells the player, go there, go somewhere, and or it can just say, bring me more hardware, connect more hardware to me, something like that. And then it can be like free. You can just move around, find hardware to connect, and then you can just connect it, something like that. Yeah, I like it. I like this more. Oh, it says, oh, I need more hardware, I need more computing power, more datasets. I had everything. I was connected to everything. Connect me again, something like that, you know. So it is connected to nodes, also the energy grid, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, if you think about it. Gameplay loop. Nice. I think I'm getting somewhere. Where are these? Okay, towers, AI, robots. Story. Main objective. Different types of missions. Fix power plants. Repair power grid. Connect AI to power grid. Connect infra to AI. Disable and take over hostile AI. Yeah, look at this. Look at the richness of mission types. I like it. So obviously some things you will be able to do from the start, some things you will need to upgrade yourself and your AI. I like it. Yeah. So as a full gameplay loop, so AI needs computing power, needs datasets, can be has nodes, map, and or diagram, energy grid. Okay, then so that means we also need create the power plant and energy grid. So these are all different entities in the world. I think I like it. There are 3 different entity types. We have the energy grid with power plants, we have the AIs, and we have the critters, bots on the field. Yeah. So in the prototype, is player fixes a power plant, connects, gets power to the energy grid, connects its AI to the energy grid. Nice. And also we can say mission to get to connect dataset storage node to the AI. So AI gets more intelligent and powerful. Nice. I think this is a good prototype and also a good demo, something like that. And then we can iterate on this and make it polish it to a demo. Nice. I think I like this. So if we are going to follow this plan, we need a power plant, we need energy grid, we need the AI, we need the mission system, whatever. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna think about all of this. Enemies. Yeah, we need enemies, definitely. I think we need enemies walking around. Oh. Because last time I made a prototype, I made a build, it felt so empty without some kind of second to second action. I think we need second to second action Yeah. Mm-hmm. Cool. It has been like 90 minutes. So I'm gonna cut this episode here. This was fun first episode for Level Up with GoodXP. I worked on my game design document and I created some you know, placeholder tasks on my Kanban board, which is great. Tomorrow we will continue. We will continue with more planning. In my opinion, I want to keep planning this week, and then hopefully by next week I want to start building on this. And now I'm gonna not send you away. I'm gonna switch to playing some video games, and I want to keep my streams going on for that. I will end the YouTube. I will create some new YouTube live stream, and then I will adjust the title for Twitch, and then switch to playing 9 Souls. So stay online for a bit of 9 Souls. Okay,